In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. This integration is a great way to bring your tasks and collaboration into one place, so you don't have to keep switching back and forth between tools. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen as we go. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and heading to your workspace. Once you're there, look towards the left side or top navigation bar, depending on your layout, and find the option labeled More. This is usually represented by 3 dots or an expanded menu icon. Go ahead and click on More. Think of this as the section where ClickUp hides additional features and integrations that you don't always see at first glance. After you click More, a menu or panel will open. From here, look for the option called Apps. This is where ClickUp keeps all of the available integrations with other platforms. Click on Apps to open the integrations area. If you have a lot of tools listed, you may need to scroll a bit or use a search bar to find what you need. Inside the Apps section, you'll see a list of different services you can connect with ClickUp. Take a moment to scan through until you find Microsoft Teams. If there's a search field, you can simply type Teams to locate it more quickly. Once you see Microsoft Teams in the list, click directly on it. This will open the specific page or panel dedicated to the Microsoft Teams integration, where you can review what the integration does and what permissions it needs. On the Microsoft Teams integration page, you should see a button labeled Connect. This is the key step that links your ClickUp workspace with your Microsoft Teams environment. Click on Connect. At this point, you may be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you use the same account that your organization uses for Teams. You might also be asked to grant certain permissions so that ClickUp can send notifications or share task information into Teams. Carefully review these prompts and then approve them to continue. Once the connection is completed, your ClickUp workspace will be integrated with Microsoft Teams. From here, you'll be able to configure things like which spaces or lists send updates to which Teams channels, and start enjoying a more streamlined workflow across both tools.